You know those little habits that make you feel weird? Talking to yourself, staying up late even when you're exhausted, overthinking everything, and struggling to engage in normal small talk? You might see these traits as flaws or signs that something is wrong with you. But what if they are actually the opposite? What if some of your quirkiest habits are not problems to fix, but rather clues that your brain is operating on a different level? Let's explore a few weird habits that often indicate high intelligence and learn to embrace them rather than resent them. Habit 1. You talk to yourself a lot. You replay conversations in your head, whisper plans under your breath, or find yourself verbalizing thoughts when you're alone. While most people might think this behavior is strange, psychologically, it serves the opposite function. Self-talk is a valuable tool that helps you organize thoughts, test ideas, and manage emotions. It's like opening extra tabs in your brain, but in a way that you can see and hear. Highly intelligent individuals often have busy inner worlds, and speaking their thoughts aloud provides structure to that mental chaos. It turns fog into clear sentences. This isn't madness, it's self-coaching. Instead of suppressing this behavior, refine it. Use self-talk to break large tasks into manageable steps. Challenge negative beliefs by voicing them out loud. Rehearse important conversations so you can approach them prepared rather than anxious. Habit 2. You stay up late with a busy brain. You lie in bed, staring at the ceiling as ideas, scenarios, memories, and plans swirl through your mind. Your thoughts remain alert even when your body is tired. While this is not always healthy, it's a common experience among deep thinkers. Your brain continues to make connections long after the day has ended, reviewing what happened and imagining future possibilities. The risk here is allowing this to spiral into anxiety, but there's also a powerful opportunity to transform it into intentional thinking. Before bed, give your brain a specific task. Spend 10 minutes with a notebook to jot down problems, ideas, and plans. By capturing your thoughts on paper, you relieve your mind of the burden of holding on to them. This approach honors your brain's need to process while also protecting your sleep, which is essential for true intelligence. Habit 3. You overthink simple things. Instead of just acting, you analyze and seek to understand the reasoning behind things. This can frustrate those who operate on autopilot, as your questioning may seem resistant. Your brain craves coherence and seeks to make sense of things. Overthinking becomes an issue when it leads to inaction. However, it can be powerful when you attach decisions to it. When facing a deadline, limit your research and contemplation, then decide and act. This strategy helps you use your intelligence effectively and avoid self-sabotage. Habit 4. You struggle with small talk but dive deep instantly. If you find small talk about mundane topics like the weather awkward, you're not alone. Many crave deeper conversations about fears and struggles. Use small talk as a stepping stone to more meaningful discussions. When the topic shifts, ask others about their thoughts and feelings to foster understanding. Challenge yourself. For the next 24 hours, identify a quirky habit and reframe it with purpose. Transform late-night pondering into structured journaling, or turn your aversion to small talk into one insightful question. Embrace your unique mind and let it guide you beyond conventional definitions of smart.